Hello, my name is Divyang and welcome to our course CST8917 Lab 1, a serverless text analyzer. So in this lab I have created a Azure function by using Python language and Azure Cosmos DB. This lab has two endpoints. One is analyze text and the other which saves the result. One also returns the history of past analysis, and let me walk through the whole all lab and all the how I have created this lab. So I have mostly created everything in my Visual Code. So this is my function. How our lab is working. What is it is like we can say the heart of our lab. As you can see that this is text analyzer. Um so whatever we write here, it analyzes text and store the result in Cosmos DB and return it. Uh, and like if we write any sentences, then it will be like split in this thing like words, word counts, charts, sentences, paragraph, and everything. It will record everything, and it will count everything and give us as a result. Uh, if we go down, there is a text analyzer also, one more, yeah, get analyze history. So what this function is going to do, like whatever we have write in text analyzer, it will record everything and it will most recent analyze result. It will send us a most analyzed result to our application. So this is how our application is working. um, Apart from there, um, if we talk about database, like why I have choose Cosmos DB database, right? I can show here. Yeah, so I have written my justification like why I have choose database as a as my service. I choose Cosmos DB for NoSQL in serverless mode. My result are nested in JSON, and Cosmos stores JSON natively. And serverless, I have choose serverless mode, right? So serverless mode means pay per use. Like I have to not pay lots of money. Like whatever request will be fall, it will use that. I have to pay only for that thing only. I am not paying any extra. uh, yeah, and I have also considered cost, like serverless is very cheap. Like right now I will roughly get like 0.25 dollars for million requests, so it's very cheap right now. So the two main reason was like Cosmos DB is serverless and it's very cheap. uh, so this is my Azure setup, right? Like how I have. So if you see here, so this is my function app, which is running on Canada Central, and this is my domain like text analyzer. So that's my function. Let's go through our I have also created one storage account for storing data, uh, and that's my our Cosmos TV. This is how my data has been stored. Like if I go to my data explorer, I have created a container. As you can see, I have created a container and its partition ID is partition key is ID. Like let's go to text analyzer here. Yeah, items, sorry. So I have search, I have checked mine, I have checked my application, but let's do it like live, right? So as I just showed you, like my Azure function is running successfully, and that's my yeah. And let's test, like testing the develop cloud function with Cosmos DB lab 1. So that's our, so let's do it. Yeah, as you can see that it's been here. Our there is our ID, and whatever the testing the deployed cloud function with the Cosmos DB Lab 1 serverless. So it says like we have 11 word count, the characters are 67 and everything. If we go in Cosmos DB and if I just do refresh, I can also get result here also. So and let's check our text analyzer analyze history, right? So let's search it. Yeah, we got, see, we got count number 5, and yeah, the testing perfect. So this is my data setup and how it's working. Like I can go to overview page and refresh and get check. Like I can just click refresh uh, here, and we will get the result and item. Yeah, we got fire, right? The fifth one, which was not showing. Might be here. Yeah, that's the our result, the latest one. So this is how I have created. Like if I talk about security and architecture, like it follows HTTP request, right? Like it hits the Azure function, and Azure function, and Azure function is connected with our Cosmos DB with the help of our keys. I have connected with our primary connection string with our Azure function, and both are in Canada Central, right? So they can like talk with each other very nicely. For I have used secret authorization key, which I have just shown you. Um, so that's the full pipeline: a serverless function analyzing text and presting to Cosmos DB and deployed and running on Azure with the history endpoints, right? Like it has history endpoints and reading it back. So thank you so much for watching this video, and this will be my submission of lab 1. Thank you.